hindi ka sasama?
Hindi po.
Dalawa lang kami?
Okay.
Maboboring yata kaming dalawa lang.
Ano to extend, ma'am?
Ha?
Hindi ko alam eh. Paano yun?
Ano mo lang, hilahin mo lang. Yan.
Saan yung cup?
Ayan, lilipad tayo. Excited much.
Dito muna sa side niyo, mama, para ikaw lang focus sa video. So, ikaw bahala sa setting ha. Hindi ko marunong yung setting tsaka ano, mama. Hindi ko marunong yung paano yung adjust yung 360 tsaka ano.
Ganun. Yung sayo na lang. Kasi dito lang naman sa loob yan eh. O eh,
Hindi, ito kasi, pag 360, mahaba yung view yan. Ito kasi isang angulo lang.
sa akin lang.
Ito mas maganda.
So, i-ano muna natin. I-settings muna natin.
Okay, hindi ko na
Para
marunong yung
ano.
setting.
Ayan si kuya marunong
Marunong
sa
ka?
settings. Oo.
Okay.
Parehas lang naman yung sa GoPro eh.
Lang naman
Sige. Okay, go ahead. Ako hindi mo na marunong.
Pero naka 360 na po yan, ma'am, na pagkaganyan. Pag na-open na ka, 360 na yan.
360 na yan. Paano kang start?
Pipindutin na lang.
Sige.
Try natin ka. Yun.
Ayan, okay.
Ayan.
Set na siya.
So, ang harap siguro sa atin.
Bukod na yan.
Okay.
Ayan.
Ang GoPro na lang liog, ma'am. Oh no. GoPro, takot na rin. Wala ang mount talaga.
Tapos, ito, hawak ka lang.
Hawakan ko lang, tapos ilalagay ko na lang sa bag.
Paano pag-experience ng flying?
Hindi, I will keep it ano na lang.
Sige,
Sige.
ako din
Kasi
assist
meron
kita.
naman siya.
Okay, alright.
So, this is for ano lang.
Alright. Okay, ma'am. So, briefing kita sa maliit. Itong Cessna 172. Okay? You will be flying Cessna 172 from the right seat. I'll be sitting on the left seat. In order to go inside the aircraft, you have to step here. Dito muna. Saka dito. Parang ganito.
Okay.
That's why you have to go inside the aircraft. You will be using the seat belts. Okay, to secure yourself. Tapos during the flight, I will let you experience the control. Pero assist kita.
Okay.
Okay? Tapos I'll let you fly. I'll let you experience flying. Pero take off and landing ako pa rin. Pero pwede ka na magsabay para ramdam mo.
Okay.
Tapos during the flight, pwede ka na photos, videos, no problem at all. Sabi mo na sa akin, ako na lang maglipad. Full control. Okay?
It's okay.
Kasi during the flight, if you're on the control and I'm on the control, you have to be focused on flying. But your camera is 360 and can rotate, so para pwede na siguro sabay. No problem. Okay. Tapos from engine start to engine shutdown will be 30 minutes of flight. Okay, and we'll be maintaining 1,500. And today the weather is good. You can see it's not that cloudy. A little bit hot. So which is Philippines, we cannot control it. And we'll be flying San Rafael, San Simon, West Viaduct, and then we'll come back to running. So from engine start to engine shutdown will be 30 minutes of flight time.
Yes.
Okay. So in meantime, if you want to go around the aircraft, make a video of it, you can do it. No problem.
Yeah. So, 12 pa naman tayo, di ba?
Hindi, actually, 12 na tayo already. Yan. Yeah.
So,
But later, they have, if you want to make photos or videos, maraming other aircrafts which you can use it as for the video and all.
Okay,
No
okay.
problem.
So, I'm
So,
okay here
right
na.
now we're gonna fly this one, so pwede ka na mag 360. But 360 ibig sabihin, okay. Are you recording already?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is the cockpit, just to show your guests, the viewers. This is the cockpit of Cessna 172, okay? So, usually, as a pilot, we start from the cockpit, we go around the wing, like this, we check everything, like this one here. Check, visual check lang yun. Kasi,
Para safe
just
lang.
to be sure, sometimes, if you miss something from your naked eye,
Nahulog. Si kuya kasi sinakyan eh.
Hindi kasi lagay ng camera dun, ma'am. Taas yun, angulo yan. It's dapat baba. So, yan, sorry. Kaginat. So, dito yung visual inspection natin. Para yun minsan pag kita yun, baka may crack yan or ano. Just to be visual, just to be say everything is fine. So, yeah, start from here. This is the engine compartment. Ito yung propeller. ito yung bigyan ng power sa atin. Ito yung bigyan ng thrust. Tapos yun, landing gears. Just visual inspection lang. Just fly around the ito yung tawag yung wings. Ito yung landing light, taxi light. Go around like that. Dito. Tsaka para dito. No.
Okay. So, okay naman all.
Okay naman ma'am. So usually as a pilot, you have to do that before every flight.
Ah, okay.
Para,
Check.
China-check lang, be sure. Though it's properly maintained naman, but extra precaution is not a harm. Just to be
Oh,
proud.
okay, okay, okay.
So yeah, we start from here and then we end up here. So yun lang yan, usually the 360.
Bakit po yung sir dun sa kabila iba?
Okay. Though, ito yung tawag yung high wing.
High wing?
Kasi kita mo yung wings above us. Okay, pag pupunta doon, the wing is below you. So tawag yung low wing.
Low wing.
Kasi dito attach sa taas. Yun sa kabila attach sa baba.
So ano yung sa Dubai na gyrocopter? Parang
iba yun.
parehas din yun, di ba?
Hindi. Iba yun.
Iba
ma'am.
ba yun?
Gyrocopter is parang mix ng helicopter tsaka aeroplane.
Okay.
Ito purely airplane.
Oh. Okay, okay. Kasi
So,
nakita ko sa post na,
yes.
ba't parang nakabukas na, tapos parang parehas.
Sa OFW kayo ma'am sa Dubai?
Hindi, plano pa lang.
Plano pala. Okay. So, yan. So, if you're ready ma'am, we can have a seat. Edward, assist mo na si ma'am.
Okay na ako?
Mm.
Oh. Ganito ba ano talaga to?
Yes. Wait lang. Sobrang ano pa? Ayan. Ano? More pa ma'am. Yan. Okay na. Tapos, ito po yung seatbelt na ma'am.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Ang 360 ka.
Hindi.
Doon na lang siguro ulit.
Para sa ano lang naman to, sa aeroplano lang naman to.
Okay.
Sabot mo ako.
Start na. Sorry. Okay. Okay ma'am. Dito yung... Okay. Mamaya on natin ma'am. Baka ano na. Lobat na. Hindi. Baka mamaya... baka lobat ma'am. Mamaya na lang on natin yan.
Okay.
Off muna na lang.
Okay.
Technology. Okay. Ito na lang headset gamitin natin. Hindi... Ha? Exercise po ma'am. Balitan pa natin.
Parang ang init naman. May aircon ba dito?
Wala po. Pero lalamig naman po yan mamaya
Ha?
pagka nasa flight na po.
Lalamig naman. Hubad ko.
Exist na po. Isa na yan. Naipin ko. Pakitanggal naman. Second flight mo to, no? Second flight. Hello po. First time, ma'am?
Apa, first. Although may experience naman ako, pero sa ganito may first time.
Saan po? Ito po yung response. Akin. Ako lang connect. Hindi, yun ano po. Kaya po mo, sukat yun mamaya para usap tayo.
Oo.
Ayan.
Para hindi... Yan, pwede na siguro.
Narinig na PC 1605 good afternoon at B10 request in start up an aerodrome for flight na schedule terminal.
1605 ground start at approved runway 35 in use when come QNH unavailable.
Start up pro runway 35 income QNH unavailable. Call the backing ready for taxi 1605.
Okay na to.
sinabi ko left turn, ito left. Okay? Pag sinabi ko right turn, ito. Okay? Tapos pag sinabi ko, ma'am, level tayo, level, ganun na lang yung level, para straight tayo. Pag level, dapat ganyan yung effort natin. Okay, ma'am? Tapos, ito yung indicators na gamitin. I'll show it to your viewers para okay. So, during the flight, ito yung bigyan ng airspeed natin. Ito yung pag bad weather pero good yung weather, pero ito yung secondary reference. Okay, pag bank tayo, climbing tayo, descending tayo. Ito, altimeter bigyan ng height. So, we'll be flying at 1,500. Okay. Ito, turn coordinate. Pag turn tayo, pag level turn o hindi, ito yung bigay. Ito yung bigay ng speed natin kung kano kabilis ng climb natin. Parang 100 feet per minute, 200, 300. So, ito yun. Tapos during the flight, ito yung, ako na lang maghawak to, itong dalawa. Kasi ito yung power natin. Ito yung pag